Hi everyone, this is Kijibo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad gawa natin reaction video ang Donbell compilation. So I won't take any longer. Let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Donbell has to offer. Ay, may sariling mundo sila, ma'am. Ay, kailan to? Ay, bago lang to, diba? This year lang to, if I'm not mistaken.
Sobrang busy ko na ino.
Ano naman?
Ay, putang ina, nagulat ako. Ay, ano to?
Sa kanilang
Don Bell.
paghiwalay ni Donnie Pangilinan bilang magkala.
Ewan ko sa'yo, te. Ay, ito kay Belle. Nakita ko to sa IG story ni Belle kanina. Yes. Oh, my granule.
Thank you.
We already miss you, Don Bell.
Thank you for being my partner through every chapter of these 7 years. Thank you for being the most
Sabi,
reliable anchor. in
napaka-heartfelt
this world
ng,
of
what do you call
our
this?
very
Napaka-heartfelt
first
ng,
connection together to our late night shows. You've been my constant teammate, my confidant, my partner in every sense of the word. We built so much together. Dreams we once thought were impossible. Now, as we both choose to explore new paths and grow as individuals.
napaka-heartfelt ng ano dyan ni Belle.
I want you to know how deeply grateful I am for everything we've created together.
Pinapanood ko lang yung mga video.
Sophia, you made it. While we explore new skies, and I promise, I will always be your biggest cheerleader from across the world.
Promise yan, ha? Promise yan, Belle, ha?
Thank you will never be enough. You are the heartbeat of this love.
You are the heartbeat of this love.
You've shown up for us unconditionally. Through every milestone, every success, every setback, and every moment we needed the strength to keep going. You still sended topics, celebrated our victories, and shielded us when things got tough. More importantly, the genuine love, the loyalty, and the community you've built among yourselves and a shared with us. You stood by us. Thank you for your love.
Promise yan, ha? Babalik kayo, ha?
You became a home.
Promise talaga yan. Babalik talaga kayo.
Trust and faith. Thank you for staying.
Thank you for
This song
staying. We will
is
stay.
not a story about a movie.
Yes.
It's a story about growth. The most meaningful story of children. Is the
At tama kayo. Ay! Ay, hindi na. We will miss you. We will see you soon, our darling. We will see you soon.
Question, ano ba
Ay!
ang totoong status ng Don Bell? Kami
Oh
kasi
my God.
parang ang dami na namin pinagdaanan and we have also never revealed anything because, you know, it's
Yes.
something that was, you know, we cherish. It's something very special
Exactly.
to both of us. That's also why we've really chosen to keep a lot of our private life super private.
Yeah.
Kasi whatever people don't really know,
Private.
they can't really ruin, diba? They can't really talk about.
Exactly. At ibang taong walang alam ay wala silang masisira, katulad kay Edmond. Si Edmond na puro SL na lang talaga. Hindi ko siya inaano, hindi ko siya binablock. Natutuwa lang ako sa kanya. Natutuwa lang ako kay Edmond. Ay, ano to?
Walk out na
Hindi ko siya
Ay, ito, ito.
Alam niya naman.
Before we would, kasi kaya nga kami nag-aaway. Kasi immature pa kami dati, di ba? That's why we agreed na we should
Ngayon
walk
mature na.
Depends, anong nangyayari dati?
Kanya-kanya na.
out. Kanya-kanya.
So pinag-usapan nyo na, pag may ganito eksena, walang mag-walk out, pag ganito eksena,
Ay.
manahimik lang ako, tapos huwag akong pipilitan. May gano'n, nag-uusap kayo.
Yeah, tsaka it shouldn't ruin work.
Ayaw namin dalhin sa trabaho.
Ang hirap nun, di ba? Mag-extend na kayo, tapos dala-dala nyo. Ang hirap na.
Pero sa relationship, di ba, ganun talaga. May mga bagay ka talagang lulunukin. Katulad nung, hindi ikaw yon pero paminsan-minsan.
Ang bilis ng oo ni Belle.
Mag-a-adjust ka.
Yes.
Kasi not-
Sobrang
not
bilis ng
all the
oo ni
time is
Belle.
about you.
Yeah, 100%.
Di mo kaya yun.
Yung walk out, may ganun na kayo
May moment talaga sila. May moment talaga sila. They're always making a moment talaga. Muntik na yung dami. Oh, wala. Muntik na. Ngayon ko lang ito nakita, ah. Ay, Baby Belle. Eh, ito si Donnie ng baby? Yun si Donnie ng baby.
ko.
Mag-girls night out kami. This is it.
Pag nagpaka po kayo, nandito pa kami.
Wait lang, kwarto ba talaga ni
Sobrang
Belle
social kasi
yan?
ng slam book eh. Yung alam ko lang, super book.
Super
Ay,
book.
sumusulat mo ha.
Sekretary ako dati, no?
Ay.
Nakakahiya naman, kakagising ko lang nito. Kakagising ko lang.
Ang gising ko na nito.
Ay,
Ay,
So, anong nickname mo growing up?
ganda ng book ni
John.
Belle. Ah, okay. Narinig ko na to.
Pinanganak.
Ay, hindi
Pinanganak
pa.
ako sa Diga City, Davao del Sur. Ikaw.
Dito.
Diba?
Alam niyo, magkasundo raw Gemini and Sagittarius.
Kailan? What time?
Alam mo yung problem sa akin, pag nagbabasa ako ng libro, hindi ko
Ang
siya
ganda ni
tinatapos.
Belle.
Kasi ayoko malaman yung
Pero
ending.
mas gusto ko yung simple lang yung makeup niya. Kasi dyan medyo
Cooking
bakat yung
and
ano niya eh.
baking.
Yes,
Yung
okay. So,
We are
dito niya,
white
blush on niya.
girl.
Ay, kitang-kita na may blush on siya.
Theo,
Yes.
Theo, I met you. Ba't sa kanya, pag siya yung nag-joke, natatawa kayo? Ba't sa akin hindi? Grabe kayo sa akin.
Yun yung ipapamana ko sa mga anak ko. Artista siya. Pwede ko mag-artista.
Oh, talaga.
Mahilig talaga ako sa sweets. Kaya ako siguro naging favorite yung sa Juicy na Sweet Delights. Kasi,
Kain mo.
Sweet
Mahilig ako sa turon, tapos
delights.
lalo na yung may langka, tapos may cheese.
may cheese?
Oo!
Parang na may cheese?
Oo!
Puto bongbong?
Puto bumbong. Ano? Ano?
Trust your insects. Yun na lang yun sa'yo.
Insects.
Instincts pala yun.
Insects.
I'm a proud mom.
Ewan ko sa'yo. Ay, wait. Good evening mga idol. Late upload doon daw si Tia sa SM City Iloilo. Tingin. Grabe, pinagkaguluhan talaga sila ng mga Ilocos. I love it. Ayan, pinagkaguluhan talaga sila ba? Saan dalahin? Mariano, ganon. Diyos. Iloilo loves Donbe. Ganon ang atake nila na. Iloilo loves Donbe. Ang pangpad ni Donnie. Tingnan mo naman, oh, pati yung mga tao sa taas. Oh my God. At tinuro naman ni Donnie ang mga tao sa taas. Natatakot lang ako dyan. Yung parang glass, na parang yung ano ng handrail. Parang nakakatakot lang. I don't know, every time kasi nang gumagano yun, parang final destination. No, hindi. Hindi naman ganun. Anyway, so this is our for today's video. This is Game of Lies. And see you on my next vlog. Bye.